back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a video all about what I carry with me when I go to Disney in the parks. This is my Disney bag. It's kind of washed out. Let me see if I can get a better close up for you guys. It's like this off-white color with a pink bow and has the little Mickey ears. I don't really know where my sister got this. She actually got she got them for me, my mom, my grandma, and of course herself to match. So we all have matching ones, but ours are different colors. So I think like my grandma has a black one with a red bow, or no, my grandma has a purple one with a pink bow maybe, and my mom has the red bow and black one. I don't know, and I don't know what color Cedrina's is. But we all have matching ones, which if you guys watch our Disney vlogs that are coming later, you will probably see them. So she got these for us, I want to say, like, I don't know. I think I got this for Christmas 2017. So I've had it for a little over a year. I love it. It's just great. It's got these like straps, and you can kind of like make the straps different if you want. Hopefully that makes sense. I'll try to find out where she got them from so I can link them down below, because I get this question whenever I go to Disney and I don't know where she got them, but I'll try to link it down below. She told me and I don't remember. Let's get into what I keep in my carry-on. It's not carry-on, in my Disney bag. So first things first, because it does rain all the time in Florida, I have this poncho and it just kind of like folds into itself, I think. My grandma got this for me at one of the Disney stores at the park, but I really like this because then I don't have to have one of like the ones that you can throw away. This one's just reusable, so I can use it every time, and it fits in this bag, which is awesome. Next, I have this little wallet. It just has my driver's license, my cards, my cash, in case I want to buy something in the parks. So yeah, that's what's in my wallet. Next up is probably the one thing I would absolutely recommend to you guys is hand sanitizer. So this is from the Grove Collaborative. This is their blood orange with moisturizing coconut oil hand sanitizer spray. This is my absolute favorite. I love the way it smells. I feel like my hands are clean. Obviously, like, I wash my hands whenever I go to the bathroom and such, but I feel like the bathrooms are gross, so I will wash my hands, but then I also follow up with hand sanitizer just to make extra sure getting all those germs off. But it's also nice if you're like walking through the park and you want to get a snack. You don't have to like necessarily go find a bathroom, wash your hands, then buy the snack, dealing with all the dirty money. You can like purchase the snack and then pull out hand sanitizer and do your thing. So I highly recommend some hand sanitizer. It doesn't have to be this one. This is just my current favorite right now. I also have one that is Mrs. Meyer's in the basil scent. It's also spray form. I really like the spray form for some reason, but any hand sanitizer will do. I just recommend putting that in your bag if you're going to Disney. Next up is this little hair tie thing. I don't remember what this is called. I'll try to link it in my Amazon store. But this is really nice because you can put your hair up, but it doesn't leave that like crease that most hair ties leave. So I really like that because you might be walking through the park and it's really hot and you're sweaty and you just want to throw your hair up, but you don't want to have to deal with like that horrible like crease in your hair, you know? Something else that I think is super important to have in your bag if you are going to a park are these little rechargeable battery packs. I think that makes sense. Rechargeable battery packs. Yes, hopefully that makes sense what I just said. But I actually have a couple of these, and I believe this one is good for like a full charge up on your phone. So you just plug in your cable and then plug it into your phone, and you press this little button and it'll like turn green and it'll charge your phone, and it's awesome. And like I said, I have a couple of them because my phone burns through a lot of battery. Like when you're standing in lines and stuff and you're constantly like on your phone, especially for what I do for work, I'm constantly on my phone, so I need to make sure that I have it charged up. James actually has like a bigger one that is like enough for 4 charge ups, which is really awesome. And I'm gonna try to link a couple of these in my Amazon shop because they're great. I highly recommend them for not just for Disney, but if you're going to any sort of theme park or any place where you're not gonna have access to like a wall charger, these are great. And then the last thing that I will keep in my bag, depending on the time of month, are obviously feminine products because, you know, I'm a girl, it happens, it's a part of life. So I will keep that in my bag as well, like depending on if I need it. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. Oh no, I also keep a bottle of Advil because I have a lot of back problems and I like to make sure that I have medicine for that. And I will also usually carry some Benadryl because sometimes I have really weird allergies where like my face will swell up for no reason. Not like super often, but enough that like I carry Benadryl with me because I don't want to be in that situation where I'm swelling up and I don't have any Benadryl. But that's pretty much everything I keep in my bag. I don't really keep makeup or anything. Like once I put my makeup on for the day, it's on and I don't mess with that. I don't carry that into the parks. I will carry sunscreen, but the sunscreen bottle that I have right now is actually too big for this bag. So I'm going to maybe find like a smaller one to keep in my bag just to like reapply my sunscreen. But other than that, I don't really keep a ton of stuff in my bag. I'm not one of those people that carries like this big purse and like carries their whole life in their purse. But I mean, I do sometimes, but definitely not at the Disney parks. I feel like I just want to keep like the main things that I absolutely need to have. So I just like to have everything that I would absolutely need, but not like, I don't want to overdo it. So I definitely think battery packs, hand sanitizers, definitely. Obviously my phone, I didn't even mention that. My phone will be in this bag as well because, you know, you gotta have your phone. Maybe you don't have to have your phone. I prefer to have my phone, but those are just like the main things that I think are absolutely necessary to my Disney trip and my like time in the parks. Obviously, like I have a purse for when I'm not at the parks that has more stuff in it, but just for going to the parks, that's what I carry in this bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got some ideas in case you are traveling to the Disney parks and kind of didn't know what to bring. I know a lot of people will bring like snacks and they will bring different food and stuff to save money, and that's totally great. I don't do that, but I mean, if you do, I think that's a great thing as well. You can pack like a little cooler or something. They will let you bring stuff into the parks as far as like food goes and things. But I don't really do that. I might like pack a granola bar or something if I think about it, but I tend to be one of those people that I just purchase stuff in the parks whenever I get hungry. I know on this trip we're actually doing the Disney dining plan, so you can get snacks and food throughout the day, which I think is awesome. But yeah, that's just what is going in my bag for this trip and what normally goes in my bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. And let me know in the comments below what you guys keep in your like Disney bag, or I would say travel on bag, but like travel, like carry on, but it's not a carry on, but your Disney bag. Let me know what you guys keep in your Disney bag or what things maybe I need to bring. Normally, like when James comes, he will have like a little first aid kit in his bag. I don't tend to worry about that as much. I probably should, but they also have like medical stuff at Disney, so I feel pretty confident that if I need a Band-Aid, like somebody's gonna have a Band-Aid. But James normally carries the Band-Aids and stuff. Maybe I should get his little first aid kit and add that to my bag though. I don't know. Anyway, let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more like Disney tips and tricks videos. I think that I'm gonna do some within my Disney vlogs. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands today. Forgive me. I'm like on a time crunch and I'm trying to get a lot done today and my day is just not gone as planned. It's just one of those days. But let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more Disney tips and tricks. That's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you subscribe so you see more videos from me if you're interested in anything lifestyle, business related, planner sticker related, Disney related. I kind of do a little bit of everything on here. So make sure that you click that subscribe button and stick around. Don't forget to click the bell notification if you want to be notified right when I upload. YouTube will send you an email. It's a pretty awesome thing. I love it because I can stop whatever I'm doing and watch my favorite YouTubers when they upload. So if you guys are interested in that for my videos, make sure you click the bell notification. And I'm gonna stop chatting and get on with the rest of my day because I still have a lot of stuff to do. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.